you beautiful souls. Welcome. This is another of the Adobe Illustrator courses. We're doing a 3, 5, and 10 minute tutorial. Today's tutorial is only going to be 3 minutes long. Hope you enjoy. We're talking about graphing.
Hello, you beautiful and wonderful souls. Welcome back. We're going to be creating a graph tool today. I'm using the graph tool today. So if you have your advanced toolbar all set up, that's awesome. If not, go over to your Windows in that drop down menu, click on your tools. It should pop open with an advanced section. Click on advanced and it should pull up the advanced toolbar. Once you have that, go to your line segment, press and hold. You're going to see that graph pop up and we're going to click on that. Today you're going to go ahead and click on the top left corner and drag it all the way down to the bottom right. That should form your graph there. While holding on to that mouse, go ahead and press the up arrow keys and the down arrow keys. This is going to create more rows for you and delete those rows. If you want those straight up and down columns created, you're going to hit the left key and the right key. This is going to create more columns for you and then delete those columns. So those are kind of how you manipulate that. While still holding on to your mouse, you're going to go ahead and shift your graph up and down. By doing that, right and left, we're going to do the C key as well as the X key. That is going to change the viewpoint of your graph and create a vanishing point. When you're drawing other things, it's very useful to have. To shift it up and down, you're going to press the F key and the V for Victor key, and that is going to shift those cells up and down. Very useful again when you are drawing things that needs a disappearing point. Next, I'm going to show you how to create that graph simply from the graph parameters box. So while you have the graph selected, go ahead and click outside of your graph. It should pull up a graph building block box. There you're going to see the parameters for your height and stuff for the graph. It's also going to show you how many columns and how many rows that you can have and how to shift these to the left and right. Once you have that all set up, hit OK, and that should pop up with a graph fully formed for you. All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I do want to thank you for joining me. If you are interested in other tutorials, please like and subscribe. If you want to be a part of the Adobe Illustrator course that I am teaching from beginner to advanced, go ahead and comment below or shoot me an email. My email is listed below. You can also follow me on my Instagram. Thank you again and have a blessed day.